there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community.
In the heart of the jungle, where verdant vines hung like emerald curtains and the symphony of chirping birds and buzzing insects played all day long, lived Tarzan, the legendary man of the wild. His days were filled with adventure and exploration, swinging gracefully from tree to tree, befriending all the creatures that called the jungle home. One bright morning, Tarzan woke up to a commotion near his favorite watering hole. As he approached, he spotted a group of lions gathered by the water's edge, staring curiously at the shimmering liquid. The leader of the pride, a majestic lion named Leo, turned and saw Tarzan. "Oh Tarzan," Leo exclaimed, his mane fluttering with the soft jungle breeze, "we lions have never learned the ways of swimming, and we wish to explore the jungle in new ways. Can you teach us?" Tarzan scratched his chin, pondering the task. He knew swimming was not instinctive to lions, but he also loved a challenge. "Of course, Leo," he replied enthusiastically. "Swimming is fun and will open up a whole new world for you." And so began a day of whimsical jungle lessons. Tarzan started by inviting the lions to dip their paws into the cool water first. "Feel the water," he encouraged with a warm smile. Leo tentatively dipped one paw and then another, discovering the refreshing sensation of water. "Brave Leo," Tarzan chuckled, "now let's try moving in it." Tarzan demonstrated an effortless floating technique, encouraging Leo to slide gracefully into the water. Leo, unsure, hesitated before finally taking the plunge. With Tarzan guiding him gently, Leo began to paddle, his powerful paws causing waves to ripple across the surface. Soon, the other lions followed, each splashing clumsily at first. "Use your paws like this," Tarzan instructed, showing them the rhythm of swimming strokes. One by one, the lions learned to glide through the water, their fear dissipating like mist under the morning sun. As the day wore on, more jungle animals gathered to watch the spectacle. The parrots perched on branches cheered, the monkeys swung from vines in excitement, and even the crocodiles watched solemnly from afar. When Leo finally mastered swimming, he urged his pride to race across the watering hole. With Tarzan's support, the lions' laughter echoed as loudly as their roars. The sun began to dip below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. Tarzan watched the lions play and frolic in the water with a deep sense of joy. "Thank you, Tarzan," Leo roared proudly from the center of the watering hole. "You have given us more than just a skill, you've given us courage to try new things." Tarzan smiled, knowing that the jungle had grown a little wider and more colorful that day. And with a wink and a wave, he swung away into the canopy above, already imagining the next adventure that awaited.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our